Sa nagpapaboost ng moral namin sa simpleng pag-vlog mo lang, sumasaya kami dahil until now, dala-dala pa namin yung kung naalala ng mga body ko. Thank you so much for that, sir. Iba ka pong makisama. To our senior tactical NCO, Sir Castel, Mr. Cor yung tawag namin sa'yo, sir. Kasi alam naman ng lahat, pag tatawagan mo kami kayo, Cor, okay na ba yan, Cor? So, kung hindi din tayo sa'yo, sir, hindi makakapag-passes itong mga malinggero kong mga body. Thank you for helping us, sir, na ma-organize yung class namin. At syempre, our snappy drill master, Sir Garcia, sir. Sir Garcia, thank you so much, sir. Na kahit gustuin mo mga magalit, mas pinili.
Just as our seniors once guided us, we will mentor the next generation. Carrying forward the legacy of this training and the values that shape us. Though we part ways for now, may fate bring us together once again, perhaps in Arab 41-42, as stronger, better, and wiser versions of ourselves. We, the Class 01-2025 Mandarigit, stood the test not just as individuals, but as a class. And as a class, we stand forever grateful for the training, the hardships, the growth, and above all, the unity that brought us here. We are Class 01-2025 Mandarigit. Mandirigmang dala-dala ang respeto at ginagampanan ang ipinasang tungkulin. Mabuhay and congratulations everyone!